Okay, we have a Southwestern Industries ProtoTRAK 3-axis CNC bed mill with digital hand wheels, model DPM SX2P, serial number 162DK926. This machine was new in 2016, and we're going to run it for you. Machine has an SMX control, the ProtoTRAK SMX control. We're running right now. It has programmable spindle speed, so you can, from the control, take it up to 5,000 RPM. That's the drawbar rattling, 2,500 RPM. We're going to shift it into low gear. And that's the low gear. 200 RPM. So we have a TRAK, a torque right 350. We have a torque right air actuated power drawbar. That's your digital hand wheels. So you have 31 inches of X travel, 16 inches of Y, and 23.5 of Z. And you also have 5 inches of QUILL. And the QUILL has an R8 spindle. All right. This machine has tracking and advanced features. Also, it has programmable spindle. I think you've seen it. Thank you for watching our video.